This short video is intended to show you how to use the new Library Resources Calendar system in order to see or reserve library resources such as the blue section, red section, or the Dell Lab, or Room 232 as it's known. Now you will notice that the old link to library resources is not visible in the library drop-down menu. You won't be able to see that link unless you actually sign in here at the bottom of Blackboard on the website, and you'll use your login. That's the same as your login for the computer, your Active Directory login. So once I sign in here, now I would be able to see in this drop down the library resources calendar link right here. Once I link to that, it's going to take me to this Calcium system, which is the new system. You can bookmark this and go directly to this page and not have to log in once you've gone there that first time. Now, it does show on this calendar day by day. There are different views up here. You can jump to different months to see what's happening every month. And in order to add an event, you don't need to be logged in, don't need to do any logging in on this page. Just go to the day that you're looking to add an event to. You can click on there on the day itself, and we get this menu. It will show you at the top any existing events for that day, so you can check and verify that the section or resource you are trying to reserve is not already reserved for the day. It's important to note that your event will not appear on the calendar by itself. You are sending a notification to myself and Christine, and once we approve it, that will show on the calendar. What you need to enter in here is your last name as the requesting teacher. You do not use the time period box. It says just enter the periods into the period requested. Please don't drop that down. We don't use period or time by time. We use the periods. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, maybe the periods I'm looking for. Any additional information such as some resource you might need in that space, or if it's a particular event you are reserving it for, would be helpful there. And then just drop down and pick the section you'd like to reserve, such as the blue section or room 232. Now you do have other options below here where you can repeat on many different days or particular days of the month until a certain time. We can also enter an email here. You can put your own email into this box. And once we do add your event to the calendar, this will automatically send you an email notification that your event has been approved. It will come from Calcium as the program that this is. It won't come from myself or Christine. It's automatically generated by the system. You can also use this email reminder down below to add your email here and get a notification, say, a week before your time slot, just to remember that you do have an event where you had reserved a library resource. Once you've picked all the options that you'd like for your event, you will create, and now your event has been submitted for approval. Again, Christine or I will get a notification from that, and we will go in and make sure your event does not conflict with any other events and approve it for the calendar. And up here on the left hand side, I can either view the calendar in its entirety again, but just keep in mind that that event I just created will not be on here. Christine and I do see events in the order in which they were submitted, so if we don't get to it immediately, we will be able to say pick between the events, and we will just go by first come, first serve. If you have any questions about using the calendar, please don't hesitate to ask us, email, or come down and we can show you exactly how to add your event or add an event for you.